most businesses are preparing for the wrong AI future. Everyone is talking about AI employees, AI workers, AI agents replacing jobs. And don't get me wrong, that's happening. But I think there's a much bigger shift that almost nobody is paying attention to. Your future customer might not be human. And if that sounds ridiculous, good. Because 5 years ago, so did most of the AI tools we are using today. But once you're following this idea to its logical conclusion, a lot of assumptions about businesses start breaking. Because most companies today are built around one simple idea. Humans buy things. What happens when that's no longer true? If you really zoom out, almost everything on the internet assumes a human is on the other side. Humans have identities. Humans have bank accounts. Humans have preferences. Humans make decisions. Humans click buttons. Humans buy products. The entire digital economy is built around this assumption. Advertising, marketing, sales, customer acquisition, user experience, conversion optimization. Everything. The customer is human. But what happens when the customer isn't? Now, to be very clear, I'm not talking about AI replacing consumers. I'm talking about AI acting on behalf of consumers. And honestly, we are already starting to see early versions of this. Think about where AI is heading. Today AI helps you search. Tomorrow AI helps you decide. Eventually AI helps you buy. Imagine you tell your AI, I need an accounting software, or book me a vacation, or find the best CRM for my company. The AI researches options, compare products, negotiates pricing, evaluates reviews, makes recommendations. Maybe eventually it makes the purchase. The customer journey no longer runs through a human. It runs through an agent. And that's a very different world. Because most people think AI changes labor. That's the head fake. Everyone is focused on workers. Almost nobody is focused on customers. Businesses exist because of customers. Let's imagine a future where AI agents make a significant percentage of purchasing decisions. Now ask yourself, what happens to advertising? Humans respond to emotion, status, storytelling, branding, social proof, fear and aspiration. And AI doesn't care if your commercial is funny. It doesn't care if your branding is cool. It doesn't care if your founder has a great personal story. The AI cares about outcomes, performance, price, reliability, specifications. Suddenly entire industries start looking different because you're no longer marketing to humans. You're marketing to software, and that's weird. I think the easiest way to understand this is to look at what Amazon did to retail. Before Amazon, location mattered. Then distribution mattered, then logistics mattered. Entire industry changed because one assumption broke. Now imagine AI agents become the primary interface between buyers and sellers. The same thing happens again, except this time the disruption is physical. It's informational. The customer itself changes, and when the customer changes, markets change. Now here's where this gets interesting. If AI agents become buyers, how do they choose? Because humans choose using all kinds of irrational signals. Brand, trust, emotion, habit, identity. Agents need data, verification, reputation, permissions, identity, payments. And suddenly we are not talking about AI anymore. We're talking about infrastructure. That is where I think crypto becomes interesting. Not because of speculation, not because of token prices, because of infrastructure. Let's imagine an AI agent wants to buy something. How does it pay? How does it prove identity? How does it build reputation? How does it verify ownership? How does it establish trust? The internet wasn't really designed for autonomous economic actors. It was designed for humans. And that's the thing I think most people are missing. The AI revolution isn't just creating smarter software. It's creating entirely new participants in the economy. And those participants need infrastructure. I think we're slowly moving towards something that sounds strange today. An economy where AI agents hire services. AI agents purchase software. AI agents negotiate contracts. AI agents coordinate work. AI agents transact with other AI agents. Not because humans disappear, but because humans delegate. The same way we delegated memory to smartphone, navigation to GPS, communication to software, we are going to dedicate economic decisions to AI. And once that happens, the economy starts looking very different. Now, to be clear, I don't think this happens next year. I don't think humans disappear from the loop. I don't think AI suddenly runs the world. But I do think most people are dramatically underestimating the direction. Because every year, AI becomes cheaper, smarter, more autonomous, more capable, more trusted. And eventually there will be categories where AI makes better purchasing decisions than humans. When that happens, business will adapt. Because businesses always adapt to customers, even when the customer isn't human. I think most people still see AI as productivity tool. Something that helps workers, something that helps companies, something that helps consumers, and I think that's too small. The more interesting possibility is that AI becomes an economic actor, not just helping participants in the economy, becoming one. And if that happens, the question isn't, what job does AI replace? The question becomes, what happens when AI starts participating in the markets? Because that's much bigger shift. For decades, businesses optimize for humans, human attention, human behavior, human psychology, human decision making. Now imagine the next generation of businesses optimizing for agents, not people, software. That sounds crazy, but so did buying products online. So did social media, so did smartphones. The future usually sounds ridiculous before it sounds obvious. And I think we are approaching one of those moments, because the first AI workers are already here. The next step might be AI customers. And if that happens, the biggest opportunity won't be building AI. It will be understanding the new economy that forms around it. So let me ask you, if AI agents start making purchasing decisions, what happens to business built entirely around influencing humans? Because I think that question is going to become very important very quickly. See you until the next one.